So this is super random. I was just sitting with my ghee coffee, and while doing so and planning for my short form content that I've been shooting for Instagram, I just had this nudge to press record button on my normal phone because I can't find my camera that I used to vlog before when I was on my YouTube. Can't find that. So I just randomly put this up, and I don't even know if I'm going to actually put this out or not. But one thing I've realized is that I've become someone who stopped chasing perfection because I've realized a lot of times perfection leads to procrastination. And now it doesn't really matter to me as far as I'm real with you guys and I'm showing you the reality in a way that it motivates or inspires any of you, or just even if it doesn't motivate, doesn't inspire, if you're just right sitting right there watching my video and you're just having a good time, that's more than enough for me. I don't even know if I'm actually going to put this out or not. All I know is I'm having a very like a super productive day today, and there are a lot of things I want to do, and I might just record the whole day. And by end of it, if I think, not that it's perfect, but if I think that it's worth putting out for you guys, then this is going to be my first YouTube comeback video. And I never actually thought in my mind ever that this is how I'm going to begin. In case if I do, so randomly, so randomly, I would always plan, prep, think of outfits, think of a script. Never like this. So I'm excited. Cheers to new beginnings. So actually the plan of action is I want to shoot a few short form content for my Instagram today. So I have Instagram, I have so the plan of action is I have to shoot 3 to 4 Instagram reels today, short form content. I have to go to the salon for a quick blow dry. Today, unlike most of the days, I don't have the time to do things. After which, I'm gonna go to a cafe and do the edits, and I also need to learn a couple of tools. So it's a pretty productive day. Gosh, I never thought I'm gonna start like this if I'm doing, but the younger self will be so highly scandalized that I'm just randomly beginning things, which is not very me. This is fun. So since I've officially started recording for YouTube, I'm gonna give you a gist of things that I'm actually gonna do today. I just finished having my ghee coffee and writing on my to-do list for the day. I also need to get my hair wash done. I have already prepped the breakfast for myself, which is a moong chila, the sprouts chila, because I have actually been a fan of things like poha, paratha, but now since I've been on my weight loss journey and I've lost a considerable amount of weight, I have realized the importance of a protein rich breakfast in the morning, because Indian breakfasts are carb heavy and I love them, so I keep them for Sundays. And then I need to get ready, go for a blow dry, start shooting for my reel content, and the rest of the day will follow. This is my breakfast. I've made some chila batter. This is green sprouts and some besan, some ginger, garlic, and basic masalas. This is going to be my breakfast for the day. This is what I do actually. I batch prep some coconut chutney like this for a good 7 to 10 days. And whenever I'm having something like a dosa or chila, I just thaw it a bit and then I remove it in a smaller container, so this can work for me for today and tomorrow, and this goes back into the freezer. This way I have like homemade chutney prepped all the time. Wondering why do my lips look slightly more pinker than the first frame is because when I actually realized, okay, I'm actually recording a video for YouTube and I'm not ready or nothing, I just went and applied some lip balm. So yeah. So hair wash is done, and usually when I do blow dry at home, I use a couple of products like the Be Blunt heat protector, and there's one more serum that I use, but since I'm going to go to the salon any which ways, so I'll let them use what they feel fit. So I'm just going to just apply a sunscreen. It's so mandatory right now. अगर घर पे भी हो ना तो please sunscreen लगाओ, क्योंकि it's not that you need it only when you're out. सूरज देवता घर के अंदर तक आता है ना, तो रेज भी आएंगी. सिंपल है. पोत दो पूरा मुंह पे. Abhi we have a lot of things to finish, so we're just gonna concentrate on that. So let's quickly get into making the chilas now. और मेरा lighter खराब हो चुका है, is why I'm using this. Okay, just so you know. और गैस कम करते जाओ. है भी कि नहीं समझ में नहीं आ रहा मुझे। वो ये सब होती है चीज़ें दोस्तों असलियत में। दिस इज़ हाउ थिंग्स वर्क, दे डोंट वर्क, दिस इज़ द रियलिटी। नॉट एवरीथिंग इज़ एस्थेटिकली प्लीजिंग. I could have made this batter in like a very aesthetic looking bowl, but this is it. This is the reality. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Let's make the first chilla. Oh wow. हो गया ये. So nice. And I like my food to be a little crispy. I don't like anything that's too soft. So even if I'm having dosa or something, I always like to have it crispy. इसमें हम डालेंगे देसी घी. Ghee is really good for your gut, your bones. Obviously it's a fat, but it's a good fat, and you need to know how much to put. You can't overdo anything. You see this browning that has happened? That's the kind of crispiness I like on my chilas and dosas. अब उसको दूसरी साइड सिर्फ 2 मिनट के लिए पकाएंगे एंड हमारा चीला रेडी है. डन. नाउ लेट्स fold this and let's take it on a plate and let's devour the breakfast. My chila is ready and मेरी coconut chutney भी soft, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं वो हो गई है, जो भी आप समझ लो. ये रही, मतलब वो ना जो थी. Why am I speaking like रोहित शर्मा? बेसिकली जो फ्रोज़न थी वो डीफ्रॉस्ट हो गई है. यस, डीफ्रॉस्ट. Can you hear that crunch? It's now time to enjoy the first bite of the chila. I am a very good cook. आपको धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा. ऑल्सो मैं इतना नहीं खाती हूँ, मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट और हैवी होता है. But because I'm in my luteal phase and I'm going to have my periods in just a couple of days, my appetite is not as great as it was before. And I also have protein along with this, like a protein shake or something. But right now I'm just keeping my food very light. So yeah. Feels so good after a fresh blow dry. Let's see ये कितना टिकता है. That's more important. This crow, जैसे ही मैं विंडो खोलूँगी ना, he'll come and he'll start chirping. Now he'll go down and then I'm gonna keep it here and then he'll come and take it. He's too smart. See? Cuties. I've just put my hair in an updo because while I do my makeup, I don't want my hair to fall on my face. I like listening to music and being in my own vibe when I'm getting ready, so I'm just gonna keep this phone aside for a while. You know what, actually, do you all want me to do like that transition where I am just like, I get ready and I do and I'm a completely new person? I can do that. If y'all don't believe me, are you all saying y'all don't believe me? Told you, I can do the transitions as well. So this is the kind of look that I'm beginning the shoot with. और मुझे और extra time लग गया because the blow dry didn't stick because I could figure right when it was being done. And ऐसा नहीं, this is the place I always go to, but the person who does it was not available, so the other person did it. And while it was happening only, मुझे लग रहा था ये नहीं टिकेगा the way it was being done. But I had my hopes high. But then again, I had to actually do a little by myself and उन सब चीज़ों में और भी टाइम लग गया. बट नेवर माइंड, आज दुनिया की कोई भी शक्ति हमें ये व्लॉग और हमारे रील्स शूट करने से नहीं रोकेगी. एंड द रीज़न आई एम एक्चुअली शूटिंग जस्ट दोज ऑडियो रील्स, लाइक जिसमें मैं खुद नहीं बोल रही हूँ, आई एम जस्ट शूटिंग ऑन ऑडियोज जस्ट बिकॉज देयर इज कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क गोइंग ऑन इन माई बिल्डिंग, सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइज. बट आई विल जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट डजंट लेट मी स्टॉप फ्रॉम व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. यू नो व्हाट, पिंक इज एक्चुअली नॉट माई कलर, but I'm happy with how my makeup and everything's turned out. Okay, so now I need to go and start shooting for my Instagram content. So I'm going to catch you back once I finish that and I take a break and we'll see what we're going to do next. Okay, so I just took a quick break. I finished shooting a lot of stuff for Instagram. I think I did at least 4 to 5 videos, short form content, and then I realized that I have to actually shoot a longer video for Instagram because now the sound's off, like the construction work is off. I can shoot one video quickly. So I'm just going through the script, and it's already 3:30 p.m. We've not had lunch. I just grabbed a bite. I had a fruit. So I think by the time I finish all of this, it's gonna be 4ish, 4:30ish. Then we'll head to a good cafe and have a good coffee and probably eat something and finish the rest of the work. So that's the update for now. So my hair, you guys, it's so frizzy today because of the blow dry that I went for. What a waste of time and money. That's not the case every day, but today when I had to shoot, this happened. But anyway, we'll do with this. This is my fourth outfit for the day. I changed one after shower, two during the shoot, and this is the fourth one. I'm wearing something very comfortable because now I'm going to the cafe and working. I have a 2 hours work block. And so there's this new coffee place that's open around in my area called Subaki, which is a small cozy cafe that's opened. And I think it's pretty new, so not a lot of people know about it. So I'm planning to go and work there and probably try a new place for coffee. And if I don't luck out on that, if there's no space or if there are too many people, I might have to go to some other place like a Starbucks or a Third Wave. Let's see what I can figure out. Not very happy with my hair today, but it's been productive, so no complaining. Secondly, I have a lot of cramps right now, but it's the end of the day, so a coffee and some good food will help. So chalo, let's go. That's Subaki, and I don't know, I already see people, so I don't know if I'm gonna get some space or not. The matcha here is bomb. Buy that lipstick, get that haircut, and go hit the gym. But baby, don't forget, the real glow up is the one that happens from within. And I'm back home. Yes, I said I'm gonna have dinner out and everything, but I got such bad cramps while I was working that I only thought it was sane enough to come back home and probably just order in something, change and just relax. Because honestly, आज इतना screen time मेरा बढ़ गया था, इतना ज़्यादा 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 I have a problem with this word. इतना बहुत हो गया था. Cramps, and then I got slight headache because of been on my phone and computer the whole day. So I thought it's best I just come home and order in something. और चलो order करना तो करना ही है. मतलब मैंने ऑर्डर किया है इस टाइम पे रात को. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू 9 PM एंड आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड मिसल 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 फॉर माई सेल्फ. मैं 30 के ऊपर की हो चुकी हूँ. मुझे बहुत एसिडिक इश्यूज़ है. लाइक इफ़ आई ईट मिसल काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स एट नाइट आई एम डेफिनेटली अबाउट टू गेट एसिडिटी. बट मैंने उसका भी इंतज़ाम कर लिया है. एंड आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ यू ऑल विल से इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ, बट रैंटैक. तो पहले मैं एक एसिडिटी की दवाई लूँगी, पर फिर उसके बाद मैं मिसल तो खाऊंगी बिकॉज मेरे पीरियड क्रैम्प्स की वजह से मुझे बहुत सारा क्रेविंग हो रहा है. और पूरे महीने जब मैं अपने चीट मील्स अवॉइड करती हूँ, जब मैं एकदम ही अपने डाइट को फॉलो करती हूँ, आई डोंट cheat as much. But when it's that time of the month, nobody messes with the woman, not even their diets. So मिसल खाएंगे, कुछ अच्छा सा लगाएंगे हम on the projector and just take it easy. By the way, मिसल भी मैंने नॉर्मल मिसल नहीं मंगाया है. मैंने मंगाया है कोल्हापुरी झणझणित मिसल, एक्स्ट्रा स्पाइसी. चुल आज तो खा के ही रहूँ. Guys, the missile is here and I know it's a lot of oil, but it's okay. I'm not going to crib about it today. That's some really spicy missile that I'm having. Damn. Actually supposed to add some onion and nimbu. I love a lot of lemon in my missile. Let's take the first bite.
Exactly what I wanted to eat. Exactly what I wanted to eat. Thank you, universe. क्योंकि जब ऐसे टाइम पे जब चीजें इधर उधर चली जाती है ना, and you don't get what you want, you do get a more, like, I, at least I get more cranky. But this is exactly the taste that I've been having, and this is exactly what I was craving, and it's exactly what I got. Now I'm gonna enjoy my missile. I'm watching something on Hotstar, and I'm just gonna call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was so random. Yeah, you guys know. I just started recording in the morning randomly, and here we are by the end of it. I've just decided I'm just gonna come up with such random everyday vlogs. If you like it, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and just enjoy. Enjoy your life. मजे करो, अच्छे रहो, मिसल खाओ, और that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.